Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be opening up this month's Ipsy bag. This subscription is $10 a month, but some states, like mine, you do have to pay tax, so it ends up being $11. Now, Ipsy has started a new program where you do get to know your samples on the 2nd of the month, and if you'd like, you can add more samples. You can add up to 3 more samples. You get to choose between full size and sample size. All full size products are $12 and all sample size products are $3. So I did get 3 extra products this month, which I will go through. Now that's a whole nother price altogether. So that is extra, it's coming out of your account completely separate than the original 11. So I will be getting to some of those. So this is the card. It says, New Year, more products, more focus on you. Now this is different. This card actually opens up. And it shows you pretty much like all the products that you got that month on here. So it says the more focus on you. Alright, so the first product that I got, which is right here, is the So Susan Dream Maker Light Shifting Highlighter Cream and Pop Star. Now I'm actually wearing it today. It's actually over on this cheek. Over here is a different highlighter, but this is the cream highlighter right here. Now a little bit goes a long way. I did put a little too much, so it's all the way over here. Now I will say it did kind of you see it did kind of take up some of my foundation. See right here, a lot better with the light off. It did take some of my foundation up right here, whereas a powder highlight like I have over here did not take any of my foundation off. So I didn't really care for that. Now it is a golden, a creamy golden kind of color. But you guys, look at that. That is so stunning. So this is actually a really great liquid highlighter. And it is by So Susan Cosmetics. Alright, the next product that we got is a makeup brush. This is right here. This is by, I don't know if I can pronounce this. This just looks like letters put together. By SL Miss Glam. This is the SB68 eye brush, which is right here. This is very pretty. I love it when they have the ombre looking colors. That's great. To me, you can never use too many makeup brushes. Right here are just a few of my eyeshadow brushes. I have other ones in like other places, but these are just some of the ones that I have right here. You can never use too many brushes. If you're like me, you don't wash your brushes but once a week, and sometimes you'll get like stuff all over them like that, whereas you just don't want it to go on to other looks. So always just grab a clean brush. So I always love getting makeup brushes in my Ipsy. I normally get makeup brushes from this subscription just about every month. I'm telling you, I'll swear, this is all makeup brushes that I've gotten from subscriptions, give or take maybe 5. So most of these are from Ipsy. Now the next product that we got is a full-size makeup product. It is a lip liner by La Mask. It's a lip pencil in the color Lust. Let me open up the box. Okay, this is the full-size lip pencil, which is great because I've gotten lip pencils before from subscriptions that are like this size, and that's not me sharpening it down, honey. That is like the size it came, so that is a big difference. Now again, this is in the color Lust. Let me put it on my hand. Ooh, that is so creamy. Look, one stripe right there. Now this is like a, not necessarily burgundy, but it is a red, but not bright. So it is a little deeper of a red. That is very pretty. I'm trying to get more into wearing reds. Now I'm very pale, so the brighter the color doesn't always look great on me, but I'll be so glad to actually try this out. Alright, the next product that we have is by Skin & Co. It is a polishing micro exfoliating truffle face gommage. Now that's a fancy name, and I had no clue what it was, so I had to look it up. But it does explain it in here exactly what face gommage is. It's essentially just a exfoliating face wash. Now it comes with the little silver tab, which I always appreciate because I want to know that my stuff's covered. It smells like vanilla. And that's just it right there. Now it does have some grit in it, so it does have the little exfoliating things. Oh, those are good exfoliating. I'm just kind of rubbing this in on my hand. It smells very good. I love an exfoliator face wash. I love an exfoliating face wash. I have very dry skin, so I always like to kind of get those little flakes, especially around my nose area. Get those little flakes off and just get all the dead skin off so you can have bright looking skin. You don't have any little dry patches. Can't stand that because I feel like when I put my foundation on and my powder, it just brings attention right to it, and I get so self-conscious throughout the day. Now our last product that we got out of the bag is by Akar Skin. It's a mini care lip butter, and here's the little box. And you just open it up. Woo! Just open it up, and here it is. This is it. Now, y'all know Carmex? This reminds me of like a little Carmex, like the little tube. It smells like lemons. Ooh, you guys, that is thick. Barely even touched that, and that is thick. That, like, my hand is shiny now. That'll be a very good, ooh, that'll be a very, very good lip butter for really dry lips. I get really dry. I have very dry skin except for in my T-zone, so my chin gets really oily where I have the most of my breakouts, but my lips get very chapped during the winter. So does my nose. Right in here gets really chapped, but my lips really get chapped, so this is great for the winter time. So that's all the products that we got in the bag. Now I did order 3 extra products. Now, before I get into this, I want to kind of talk about all my products that I did get in the bag. These last couple of months since they've started this program where you get to add extra products into your bag, I don't feel like my products have been the best, my samples have been the best choice. And I think they're doing that so they show you all these extra products that you can get, so you'll buy those and spend extra money on top of the $10 plus $1 tax if your state is requiring them to charge tax, like here in Alabama is, so $11 for me, to charge extra on top of that so you can get other products, which I don't think is right, because for the last 3 to 4 months I have not cared for my Ipsy, and normally that is like one of my favorite subscriptions because normally I'd get the best products. One of the one that I've sit in front of me, one of the best products I've ever gotten from Ipsy is a full-size Smashbox concealer, and I love that concealer. But for the last couple months I haven't felt like my products are so good. So with that being said, before I go into these other ones, is that happening to y'all, or is your samples in Ipsy not as great with them wanting to make you purchase more? Or have you been getting great samples? I would be glad to know if I'm the only one, if that's just how I'm thinking, or if other people are thinking this too. So for the first product that I got, this is considered sample size for $3. It is a Luxie brush, the Pro Contour. This is great. I actually used this today to put on my contour. This is great. I would have paid $12 for this brush in all honesty, because I saw some spoilers somewhere saying that this is going to be one of the products in the January bag. I was like, I'm going to get that. I was assuming it's going to be $12. I was like, okay, I'm going to pay $12 for this one brush, because I know Luxie brushes are so great, because I have a lot of them. Now, this is just to show some of my Luxie brushes that I have. I've gotten the majority of these from Ipsy and BoxyCharm. I've never had to purchase them for myself, like through the website or anything. I've always gotten them within a subscription box. But I'm telling you guys, these are the best brushes. And in BoxyCharm Boxy Luxe box back in September, we got this one, which is the Airbrush Foundation Brush. This retails for like $20, $25, $20, closer to $30, I believe. This is a great foundation brush. It makes your skin look so smooth. So when I saw that this one, it's just like a little miniature one, that this was going to be in the January bag, if I didn't get it, I was going to make sure I bought it. So I don't really know how much this actually retails for, but I know it's a lot more than $3. So that was a steal for me to go ahead and get it. Now the next two products that I did get are considered full size, which are $12 a piece. The first one that I got is by Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. I've actually previously bought this before, because I had received a sample from Ipsy out of my second bag, I believe, back in 2016. I think it was in my November bag. I didn't like it at first. So if you've ever gotten this as a sample and you've tried it, I didn't see any immediate effects. So I did that, and I was just new to Ipsy, so you got the review process where you get the extra points to go in towards redeeming a product. I was like, oh, I need to go ahead and review this so I can go ahead and get those points. Blah, da, 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 da. I didn't give it a fair enough review, and you can't go back and re-review it or anything, or change your review, which really sucks, because I absolutely love this. I actually purchased these right here. These are my original ones. This is the Good Morning Honey Facial Serum, and this is the Good Night Facial Serum. These are amazing. Now, this is like $42. $42, are you hearing me? $42 worth of product in here. Same, this is the new one, this is the old one. Same size, same milliliter, same ounceage, everything. $12 versus $42. That is a steal. Oh my God, when I saw it, I was like, I gotta get it, because I'm out. I have like maybe 2 more uses where I'm having to get like a brush in here to try to get all the product out so I'm not wasting any. But I saw that, I was like, I have to get it, just so I'm not repurchasing it for $42. Oh my God, when I saw that, I about fell out. I was like, oh my God. So that is the second product I got. Now this next one is by Ofra, and it is the highlighter in Rodeo Drive. I've never tried, I've tried Ofra highlighters before, or Ofra eyeshadows before, and they are great. So when I saw this, I was like, that's good. I've heard a lot of things about Ofra. The lipstick I'm actually wearing right now is by Ofra. I got this in my BoxyCharm box, so if y'all want to go watch how I got this look, just go to that video. But when I saw they had this listed as the extra products, I was like, I'm going to get that too. So they had such great products that you could buy extra towards your thing. I was like, I don't understand why we didn't get these great of products in the bag itself. That kind of confused me a little bit. So this was a yes for me. So that's what I got. $12 to $12 to $24, $27 plus tax. I spent $29 extra buying these 3 products. I lost the brush. Buying these extra products along with that makeup brush. buying these extra products on top of the 11. Again, that's kind of aggravating me while you had such great products for me to buy extra, but I didn't get the best ones in my bag. Now, don't take me for granted. The lip liner looks great. Full size product, great. Love makeup brushes. Not pitching a fit about that. This feels so moisturizing. Excited. Such a tiny little size. Very, very tiny. The highlighter, could take it or leave it. It did pick up my foundation, so that's not a favorite of mine. But the extra products were so much better. I really want to see better products coming into my Ipsy like we used to have. So, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.